Convotherm, world leaders in optical cooking, with ConvoSense, our AI solution for cooking and baking. Now also available as an option in our Convotherm Mini Pro, the world's smallest GN tray size combi oven. So how does it actually work and what is the purpose for ConvoSense? So everywhere where we have consistent product quality, less training requirement, and the most simplest way of operation to achieve absolutely consistent product quality. Bake-off shops, supermarkets, QSR. The beauty here is, what you can see here right now, the Mini Pro in ConvoSense mode is already ready to go. It shows me on the high resolution display already ready for the first tray loading. And how does it work? The camera actually sees what is on the tray, so the product is getting identified. The height sensor detects in which shelf position or rack position the tray was loaded. So with this information, ConvoSense will adjust the right timing, will start the right profile, and also ensure that no wrong loading or wrong mixed loading is actually getting started. The beauty here is, no more buttons to press. It's just all optical recognition. I don't need to tap buttons, drag and drop. I don't need to do any voice commands. And the other beauty is that the ConvoSense actually learning at the beginning your products. So at the beginning, the teaching process, the unit detects what products are on the tray, and out of that, the cookbook is created. So let's get it started. We open the door and we are having some pretzels. And the beauty, as I said, I don't need to press any button. We can see now on the user interface, pretzel on shelf position 3. We got some bagels popping up underneath on position number 4. Now I have some croissants. I want to do it at the same time. Loading in. What happens now is a conflict. I cannot do the croissants together with the pretzel and the bagel because it's a different cooking or baking profile. So here ConvoSense ensure that there is no wrong loading scenario and also guarantees us we always achieve a perfect, consistent product quality. So simple in operation again, because the operator don't need to think about, can I do this product together with pretzel and bagel? No, actually ConvoSense will tell the operator immediately what is possible and what's not. So as you saw, I only loading the trays, the camera detects the product, the height sensor detects the tray position. No information on the screen is shared like temperature, cooking mode. I only see the tray position and the remaining time what is clocking down. Another big benefit of using ConvoSense is the production manager. Here we are counting during the day the amount of baking cycles, for example, and it's getting deducted from the daily needs. So here I have a full control about my cost and reducing the food waste. So ConvoSense, as you just saw, absolutely simple, absolutely safe and easy to operate with literally less to no training required. The unit sees everything and adjusting the right profiles to achieve always consistent product quality. That is ConvoSense by Convotherm.